Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the failed to verify username error in Minecraft. This error usually happens when your server is in online mode, but the username cannot be verified with Mojang servers, especially if you are using a cracked setup or incorrect authentication settings. First, go to your server dashboard, and before changing anything, stop your server. To do that, just go ahead and click on the stop button just like so. This is important because you cannot edit server settings while it is running. Now wait for the server to fully stop, then go to your options menu. If the options page is not loading, simply reload the page once. After that, you will see an option called cracked mode. Turn this option on. This allows players to join without Mojang authentication, which fixes the username verification issue in many cases. Now go back to the main server page and click on Start to launch your server again. After the server restarts, try joining again and the error should now be resolved. The simple rule is that when username verification fails, it usually means there is an authentication mismatch. Enabling cracked mode on your server dashboard usually fixes the issue. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft failed to verify username error by stopping the server, enabling cracked mode in your server dashboard, and restarting the server. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.